Very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you? Mast na? And have you started with your cursive practice? Yes, ma'am, we have done it. Very nice. So till now we have done with 3-letter words, and today we are going to practice with 4-letter words. So are you ready with your book? Yes, let's start, my dear students. Okay. So my dear students, today we will be moving with page number 12. Okay, this is your page number 12. Okay, let's start now. Yes, the word is bank. What's the spelling of bank? B-A-N-K, bank. But how you will write it? See, B-A-N-K. But here is a small error. Okay, let's start with the same spelling once again. B-A-N and this is K. B-A-N-K, bank. And उसके साथ में we will learn small t. Small t. But this is not the correct formation. We will write in this way. This is small t. Small cursive t. Clear? First was bank. What we have written first spelling? Yes, B-A-N-K. It's called bank. B-A-N-K, bank. Another one is R. Small cursive R you will be writing in this way. R, then S. Small S. Small S. Okay. Please take care that the letter should not come out of the line. कुछ letters हैं जो line के बाहर नहीं आएंगे. Another one is bash. B-A-S-H, bash. B-A-S and this is H. Okay, once again, come on, write along with me. आपको मेरे साथ साथ में लिखना है B-A-S-H, bash. Once again, in this way. Okay, beta? Okay. Once again, no problem, beta. जितना ज़्यादा लिखेंगे, more and more practice we will do, the more we will learn. ठीक है? B-A-S-H, bash. In this way, we will be writing the spelling of bash. And what are the letters you have to learn along with this? D. D for dog. D for Dan. D. Small cursive D. Small cursive D in this way. Small cursive D. This is the correct formation of D. Bank, bash, D, T-R-S. This much we have learned. Now we move to the another one. This is small cursive C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cock. C for cut. This is the wrong formation. How you will write? C in this way. It should touch the line. Okay, got it? This is the correct formation of C. And another one is L. L for lion. L for lion. See, in this way. Okay, not in this way, but this is the correct formation of L, lion. Okay, so my dear students, today we have learned bank on page number 12, bank, bash, 2 spellings, and we have also learned T, R for rat, S for shoe or sun, and D for dog, and L for lion. So today we have done these things in page number 12. Now we will move further to another page, that is page number 13, and we will learn one more spelling, that is mash. M-A-S-H, mash. Come on, write along with me. M-A-S-H, mash. M, see, is it correct? ये correct है? No ना? M-A-S-H. Once again, yes. M. Start with M, A, S and H. Okay. So this is the correct formation. Once again, yes. Once again. Clear beta? Okay. And one more time we will be writing letter H. How you have to write letter H? In this way. Along with this spelling, we will be learning the small cursive letters also. H. Okay? H. And one more, W. How you will write that? Yes, in this way. Slowly and slowly in this way you will write letter W. This is wrong because it has not touched the line. W. Clear? Yes. So today we have learned three spellings: bank, bash, mash, and letter T, R, S, C, L, H and W. Okay, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you have to do these pages also, page number 12 and 13 as your assignment. Okay, so happy learning. God bless you, my dear students.